bring you some good assets if you do, um, or it can bring your dreams overnight. But that's not what we shoot for. We shoot to be more proficient in the trading and allow the trading to pay for our lifestyle. So with, you know, having a understanding of that, it allows us to be more patient with the market, to realize that the market is not going anywhere. And with every time there's a missed trade, no worries, because there's going to be another opportunity. The market does move in waves. It is always going up and down. And what it's searching for is what we call an equilibrium, or it's looking for a price or an actual value, the fair value. So when price is moving up and down, that's generally what it's looking for is a fair value. When you come into these areas of consolidation and you have, what we call the battle of the bulls or bears, or people call consolidation, a lot of people are afraid of this area. But what this is representing is that there's a fair value. There's a battle that, they're kind of agreeing on. So they're going up and down. The market doesn't want to move. We call this a area of value. So currently with IDJPY, we're kind of in an area of value. So you can expect price to range. It's going to go up and down until it breaks out, and then we can kind of participate. There are a few different ways to play a range. You can either, once you notice that price is stuck in a range, you can buy it the low at a discount. You can sell at the high when it's more expensive. You sell high, buy low. So it kind of demystifies what's going on in this marketplace. As far as some of the things I have on my chart today, you see I don't have too many fancy indicators. I don't have too many, gadgets or anything like that. Price tells us what the market's going to do. The indicators are all based on price action. So the indicators are lagging. The only leading indicators we have in our tool set is going to be price and volume. And in later topics, we're going to give you guys an understanding of how to read volume. A volume is going to give us a indication to the transactions that banks and hedge funds are doing. So when we typically see a large amount of volume, it lets us know somebody with some money stepped into the market. And if you see here, let me move this screen right here. We have this big, large candle right here. If everybody can see where I'm pointing at, hoping you guys can see that. But we have a huge candle of volume. We have a pretty decent spread, a pretty decent candle here. And then we did get a little bit of a pullback, but then price took off. And that's going to be based off, there's some of the things that you can do with volume. It gets a little more intricate, but we can break that down for you guys on a base level. And that market moved up 251 pips. And that was just a simple read of volume. It's not always that cut and dry, but there were some other factors here that we probably can see if I shorten the screen. We're right here. We were in a consolidation place. We have price. We have support equaling resistance. Let me put a line here.